At a loss. Confused, puzzled or perplexed, and unable to think of what to do or say. I'm at a loss as to what to do. I stood at a loss about the facts. Bite the dust. To die, often used humorously or figuratively. To fail or be defeated or stop working, used for people, things, or plans. Many soldiers will bite the dust in the battle. My new computer bit the dust within first year. I has bitten the dust the enemy in game. Bring home the bacon. To earn money for oneself or one's family, usually by working hard. He works 2 jobs to bring home the bacon for his family. I will work to bring home the bacon tomorrow. Dead ringer. Someone or something that looks exactly like someone or something else, an exact duplicate. He is a dead ringer for his father. The car is almost dead ringer for my car. Head over heels. To be completely and deeply in love with someone. After marriage, they are head over heels in love. He has been head over heels with her since 2025. In stitches. Laughing very hard, so much that your stomach or sides hurt. My brother told me a funny story that kept me in stitches. We were in stitches for hours after watching the funny movie. Kick up your heels. To relax, have fun, enjoy yourself, or celebrate freely, often by dancing or partying. We decided to kick up our heels after the final exam. I kicked up my heels at the party with my girlfriend. Lose your cool. To get very angry, upset, or lose your self-control. I lost my cool during the argument. Don't lose your cool in frustration. Off the cuff. Something said or done spontaneously, without preparation or planning. I went to speech off the cuff. He had to answer off the cuff. Over my dead body. To strongly refuse or oppose something. It means, I will never allow this to happen. Do you go with him? He said, over my dead body. I told him, do you love her? He replied, over my dead body. Pass the buck. To avoid responsibility by giving it to someone else, or shift the blame to someone else. Everyone passed the buck, the mistake on other. They always pass the buck, the mistakes each other. Put a sock in it. To tell someone to stop talking or be quiet, usually in a rude or annoyed way. If you two don't put a sock in it, I'm leaving. You just put a sock it, I am talking here. Sleep like a log. To sleep very deeply and soundly, without waking up easily. I want to sleep like a log tonight in this cold weather. I was exhausted, so I slept like a log last night. Up in arms. very angry, upset, or strongly protesting about something. They're up in arms about the new management plans. She was up in arms in the meeting against the prices. Use your loaf. To think carefully, use your brain, or be sensible. Can you use your loaf to solve it? Use your loaf before telling him.